Speak, listen, hub.
Welcome! In this video, you'll learn real English conversation in a simple and fun way.
Hey, why do you look nervous?
I have to speak English later. My hands are shaking.
Relax. Even coffee shakes more than you.
Very funny. But I feel stupid when I talk.
You don't sound stupid. You sound human.
I forget words. My brain goes blank.
That happens to native speakers too.
Really? You forget words?
Yesterday, I forgot the word for umbrella. I said rain stick.
Okay, that's worse than me.
See? Mistakes are normal.
So, step 1, accept mistakes?
Exactly. Confidence starts there.
But how do I practice?
Easy. Talk to a mirror.
A mirror? Like, hello, Emma. How are you?
Yes. Pretend it's your best friend.
That sounds silly.
Silly is good. Silly makes you relaxed.
So, I'm my own English partner.
Exactly. And mirrors never judge.
But they copy me.
True, but they never laugh at you.
That's comforting.
Try it tonight. 5 minutes.
Deal. Mirror English lesson. I freeze when someone asks me a question.
If you enjoyed this, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.
Use the 3-second rule.
What's that?
Answer within 3 seconds.
Even if I don't know the word?
Yes. Say something simple.
Like what?
Let me think. Or, good question.
Oh, so I'm buying time.
Exactly. You sound confident, not scared.
Smart. 3 seconds buys confidence.
You got it.
That feels powerful. Sometimes my voice shakes.
Stand tall. Shoulders back.
Like a superhero?
Exactly. Power pose.
You look like Batman.
Batman never mumbles.
True. He always speaks clearly.
Your body tells your brain, I'm strong.
So, posture affects confidence?
Yes. Mind follows body.
Okay. Superhero English time.
That's the spirit.
I feel taller already. I forget vocabulary.
Learn small snacks, not big meals.
Snacks?
5 words a day. Easy bites.
Like sun, cloud, rain.
Perfect. And use them in 1 sentence.
Today the sun is nice.
Great! You just ate 1 snack.
Tasty English.
Exactly. Small bites equals big memory.
I like this idea.
See? Easy and fun.
English diet plan. I hate my accent.
Whisper English.
Whisper? Why?
You hear the shape of words.
Like th in think.
Yes. Whisper it. Think. Thought.
Think. thought.
Nice, clear and soft.
It feels secret.
English spy training.
007 accent.
Whisper, then speak louder.
Okay, I'll try. What if people laugh at my mistakes?
Laugh with them.
But I feel embarrassed.
Embarrassment is free comedy.
Huh?
Last week, I said, I'm bread, instead of I'm bored.
Did people laugh?
Yes, and then we all laughed.
So, mistakes are funny stories.
Exactly. People like you more.
That makes me less scared.
See? Mistakes equals friendship fuel.
I like that. I don't know how to keep talking.
Use conversation hacks.
Hacks? Like shortcuts?
Yes. Say, what about you?
Oh, so I don't need new ideas.
Exactly. Pass the ball back.
Another hack?
Repeat a key word.
Example?
I like pizza. Pizza. Me too.
Oh, that's easy.
See? You don't run out of words.
Hacks equals lifesavers. Music helps me too.
Make a confidence playlist.
Songs in English?
Yes. Sing with them.
But my voice is bad.
Who cares? You're practicing sounds.
Like karaoke?
Exactly. Karaoke English.
Hello? Hello?
See? Fun and useful.
Okay, I'll sing daily.
Confidence plus rhythm.
Nice combo. Small talk is hard.
Think of it as adventure.
Adventure in the grocery store?
Yes. Say, nice apples today.
That sounds random.
Random equals friendly.
People don't think it's weird.
No. It's normal small talk.
Cold weather today, right?
Perfect. You sound natural.
Oh, I can do this.
See? Small talk equals practice.
Adventure unlocked. My voice shakes when I'm nervous.
Breathe in for 4, out for 4.
Like yoga?
Exactly. Calm breath equals calm voice.
So before I speak,
Take 1 deep breath.
that slows me down.
Yes. Confidence is rhythm.
Breathing English.
Better than choking English.
True.
Try it before your talk.
I will. I don't have time to study.
Use English in daily life.
How?
Change your phone to English.
Oh no, then I get lost.
Exactly. You learn fast.
Risky, but smart.
Also, write your grocery list in English.
Eggs, milk, bread. Easy.
See? Small, daily steps.
Life becomes English practice.
Exactly.
I like this. I don't know how to start with strangers.
Use compliments.
Compliments?
Yes. Nice shoes. Or cool bag.
That's simple.
People smile. You relax.
I like that.
And you practice English naturally.
I love your jacket.
Perfect. That's confidence talking.
Compliments are magic.
Exactly.
I'll try it tomorrow. Let's practice right now.
Okay, pretend I'm a tourist.
Hello. Do you need help?
Oh yes, where's the train station?
Go straight, then left.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
See, you sounded natural.
Really?
100%.
I feel good.
Confidence unlocked.
Level up. So, what's the final secret?
Speak every day, even small.
Even one sentence?
Yes, one sentence equals progress.
That feels possible.
And remember, people like effort.
So, no one hates my English?
No, they respect you.
Wow, that changes everything.
Confidence is not perfect English.
Confidence is brave English.
Exactly.
Thanks. You're the best.
Anytime.
I'll talk with my mirror tonight.
Say hi to her for me.
Okay, I will.
Tomorrow we practice outside.
Deal.
Coffee first, then English.
Perfect plan.
You're ready now.
I feel ready.
Confidence unlocked.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.